Welcome to the Easy channel. Let's start. Always make a good assessment before your turn. Always pay attention to the road ahead and keep your distance between the cars.
Launches their NFT fighting game.
Counting down the days.
Yeah,
What the
they'll
is
figure
everyone
out a way to
stupid
get
tonight?
Gumby out there.
Fighters.
Like what the
Sure.
Always pay attention to the road ahead. Always make a good assessment before your turn.
Jesus. What the fuck?
Including those moderates and whether or not they will come on the other side
Adjust
to
your
vote
speed
for this.
according
What
to
are
road
some of the key
condition.
points the White House is pushing to members of Congress at this point to try to get them on board?
Well, the president did signal on that meeting this morning that this framework that he touted did have the support of all 50 Democrats. But we haven't heard explicitly from Manchin and Sinema that they have formally.
Always pay attention to the road ahead and keep your distance between the cars.
kidding me? Bro, it's on dash. Oh my god.
Well, that's kind of sketchy because they won't be able to get out if people are in line.
Yeah, I think this parking lot is terrible.
Yeah, why would they design it like this?
Holy. Holy. I am.